You've probably seen these insanely viral animation videos popping up everywhere and wondered, how are people actually making this stuff so fast? The crazy part is, pages like this are gaining tens of thousands of followers in just days, and their videos are hitting millions of views like 2.2M, 1.4M, and still growing every hour. Now I'm going to show you something wild. I created this exact same style video using AI in just a few minutes. Now let's break down exactly how these viral AI videos are created step by step. First, find a viral page or video style you like and take a screenshot of it. Then upload it into Claude AI and ask it to analyze the content style, structure, and tone. Next, simply type, "Write me a script based on this style." Claude will generate a full structured script with scenes automatically. After that, type, "Convert this into visual prompts for each scene." Now you'll get detailed prompts designed for both images and animation. These prompts are powerful because you can use them directly in AI tools without changing anything. Next, go to a tool like Google Flow or any AI image generator. Paste scene 1 prompt and generate multiple variations. Pick your best image and lock the style so all future scenes stay consistent. Now repeat the same process for every scene until all visuals are created. After that, convert each image into video using the animate option. Just reuse the same prompt for motion so everything stays perfectly aligned. Once all clips are ready, go back to Claude and type, "Give me a full voiceover script." Copy it and paste into a text-to-speech tool like 11 Labs or Google AI Studio. Generate your voice, then import everything into a video editor. Place the voiceover first, then sync your clips with each line of narration. Adjust framing if needed, remove distractions, and export your final video. And just like that, you've built a fully viral AI animation video from scratch.
No fridges, no freezers, 100-degree heat. So how did cowboys get ice in their drinks? Turns out, the Wild West had an entire ice industry, and it started hundreds of miles away in winter. Up in places like Colorado and the Sierra Nevada, workers cut massive ice blocks straight out of frozen lakes, by hand with saws every single winter. They packed the blocks in sawdust, a natural insulator, and shipped them by train all the way down to the desert. By the time it reached the saloon, still solid. Saloons used it for drinks, butchers used it to keep meat fresh. Some towns even built their own ice houses, basically the first refrigerators. Turns out the Wild West was a lot cooler than we thought, literally.
Now the only thing left is consistency. Because once you understand this system, you can create unlimited viral videos. You don't need to film anything, you don't need expensive gear, and you don't need experience. If you found this useful, you already know what to do next. Start creating.
Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe my channel.